Okay, so we are going to assemble now this Fimi X8 Mini, and we're going to try to fly it today. It's a little bit windy around here, but we'll see. So you've got everything you need. We've got the drone, the SD card, and the battery is already there. We have our cord. I think that's not the cord that we need, because we need Type C. We need something for the Android. So we need to get the cord. It needs to be connected to the remote control. We do this in this process because this is how we figure it out. Connect that one into the remote control first. The other end.
Oh yeah, that's right. That sounds
Connected. Okay, there. Now you need to. There you go. And we are doing it in this process because we figured it's the best way for this specific drone. We turn the drone first. Turn it on. There. And then we go to the app and then enter device. Now you can see it's all black. Okay, turn the remote control on. And then just wait for it to connect. You will immediately know that it's connected when the camera will turn on and you can see images on your phone. There it is. Now there's some images. Now it's time to calibrate. You go to settings. Yeah, just press that one. Press it. And then calibrate. See where okay, so take this one and keep on turning that way. Follow that one. Yes. Yeah. See? Until it beeps. And then, now you need to raise it up and do the same thing. Don't say it's done too. Oh, it's really windy today. There it is. Okay, now you can put it down. And then you can do your thing. Just get away from there. Know what to press to hover? For it to hover?
Yeah.
And the wind is really strong today too.